How to fix a Paperjam on your Canon PIXMA TS6520 printer. So once you get the Paperjam error on the display over here, the first thing I recommend is that you unplug the printer from the power source. Even if it's turned on, don't worry. Simply pull the cable because we don't want to stick our finger inside while it's connected to power. So the first place I suggest to check is on the side over here. You're going to stick your finger in this gap and you're going to open this panel. Take a look inside. There's a good chance that a paper will be somewhere over here stuck. Take a pair of tweezers or your fingers and simply remove it. Check carefully because sometimes you get the Paperjam error once the ink carriage over here is not able to move freely left and right. So maybe the Paperjam will be on the sides, or maybe the paper is actually stuck under this carriage. Another place where you can check, let me lower this lid, you simply have to push it up like that, is on the back of the printer. So if I turn it around, they made actually a small door that you can open in case of a Paperjam. You see this one over here? Simply push towards the right side, the latch, and remove this panel. Now, there's not a chance that the paper got stuck in these rollers, but if you look over here, this is the actual roller that is used to take a sheet of paper once you're printing. And sometimes the paper can get stuck around the roller. So again, take a closer look and there's a good chance that you will find your Paperjam on the back. Once you have removed the paper, you can go ahead and connect the printer to the power source. Then you're going to go on the control panel, press the power button. You may get a message saying that the printer didn't shut down the proper way, and this is fine. Okay, this is the message. You're going to press OK, and the error should disappear. If you found this video helpful, take a moment, comment down below, subscribe, like, and check my Amazon links to get ink for this TS6520, some paper, or even a brand new printer. See you in the next one.